Alright, what's going on, guys? This is just a pickup of the last section that we're at with the tires, brakes, and everything. So I ordered some rear spools for the bike, and I got some levers in as well. These actually came in metal. They're only like 20 bucks. Or what we're going to do is also get on the handlebars, the risers. We might be able to fabricate the subcage on the back as well. He's going to help me out and just actually create one by hand. What I'll do is jump in the time lapse once we start drawing everything out on the triple tree, and we'll start cutting from there.
So we're going to put nuts on the inside of this bar, and then weld them in place, and then drill on the outside of the what used to be the passenger footrest, and put our frame sliders in there. And it'll just, of course it's all aluminum, so it's not as strong as a real Subcage, but it'll be a lot stronger side to side, as far as if it falls down one side it won't just snap one of these babies off. So in theory, that's the idea.
Just the front headlight assembly?
Yeah, mine is. Oh yeah, that too. I didn't know if you were doing that or if I was doing that.
No, I meant the bracket for that.
Oh yes.
Alright guys, so we just finished probably like day 3 or 4, I'm not sure which day it is now at this point, but we did a couple more things. We got the front tire guard on. He actually fabricated a bracket for this Speedo. So if you can see, we got 2 clamps right there, and then it's kind of mounted in right here in the front. Also got the handlebars on the other day. What else did we do? Did some more plastics today. Did the chain guard, the rear tire hugger. Aside from that, everything's pretty much done for the most part. I do need to look at getting a coolant reservoir, because this one was really old and brittle and it kind of broke off when I was taking it out of here. Kind of just waiting on the cage to come in. Last thing guys I forgot to mention is we're just cutting out the rear seat, and he's just cleaning it up with the utility knife, and that's going to be the last thing that we do for tonight. It's already dark. It's getting dark out here early now, probably like 5:30, but we've been working on this thing for a couple hours already. Guess we'll just pick this one up when it's light again. Alright, what's going on guys? This is just a pickup of the last section that we're at with the tires, brakes, and everything. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to actually end up splitting this into 2 videos, since there's going to be a lot of content. There was just a lot of things along the way that we didn't expect, of course, which is usually how things go when you're building a bike or doing a project. So there actually ended up being a lot more content on the channel. I know a lot of it will be a time-lapse, so what I might do is do a little bit of voiceover here and there along the time-lapse to kind of explain what we're doing at what sequence, so that way you guys can make sense of what's going on in the video. But yeah, so far everything's pretty done. Today we're going to be putting the cage on. This thing took 4 months to get here, 3 months to ship out, and then a whole month to ship from USPS. Thank you though, finally got here. So let's go ahead and take this out of the plastic, see how this looks. This is what we're going to be doing today on this bike. We're going to be installing that, and then aside from that, literally the only thing left is to get a LED light bar, place that on the center. Once I get the LED light bar, put that on, this bike will be completely done, ready for me to mess around on, start recording some content with me on the bike. What I'm going to do, go ahead and set up a time lapse to unwrap this, and then I'll go ahead and transition to the install for the cage on this bike. So hang tight, we're going to get the tripod, set everything up, and let's go ahead and set up the time lapse.